Hello, friends. Oh, sorry. Hello, goeiemorgen, Franks. Morning, sir. Welcome to Cerberus. Yeah, I'm looking for a Magnum boot. Yeah, and also do you have a... What about a proper belt? And maybe one of those.
One of these, eh?
And what is that other thing? A sack for your back. That's quite lekker. A sokkie for your brokkie. I definitely need one of those. Okay, so I'm at the right place.
Jette, I'm so excited. I feel like a klein rooikop laaitjie met sproete in a sweet shop. Now here at Cerberus, they don't just sell little klere for you to run around in the bush for. They've got a bit of everything. Even those little rooi kolletjie goeders to make you see where you shoot. Oh, I need one of those. Cerberus, bloody amazing. Make sure to visit Cerberus here in Stoneham Park for all your taktische gear and stuff for your pew pew. Okay, thanks.